Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar. 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar. 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar. Dollar, 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 dollar. Oh, una wonder what me I do? Me a warm up for Trinidad Carnival. Yes, man. Me a warm up. You remember Almighty Sparrow and them man they find down at them place there? Yes, man. The Twin Island. Yes, Trinidad and Tobago. Yes, me a warm up for Trinidad Carnival. But me can't dance good enough, but me a try. Me have a little more time left. But me a consider if me fi go. Me there a consider if me fi go. Because it come like hot water dash down at Trinidad and me can't take it burn up, you know. Me can't take it burn up down at Trinidad and Tobago. Jesus, please. Me see one woman run out per internet. Run out. I never know say one woman bad so. I wonder what kind of pill she a take. Jesus, please. The woman run out pan the giant them out here not even me as well little fryers, you know. Pay giant the woman run out pan. And one thing me like with her. Oh you mean? Oh you mean you want stripe you have to take down giant. You can't take down fry like me. Fry like me, not take much oil. So you now get nothing from me. You have to go for the giant them. Me say the woman run out pan some giant there. Hey! When the woman title her video a be initial, me I wonder if I learn the alphabet. Cause when me see them all for initial, me I wonder she just start learn the alphabet. A B C D E F G H I J. I never know say them only letter they have some form of meaning. I never know. I tell you the truth. If I never stop and listen to the video a little bit, I wouldn't realize. The woman run out on the giant them. But guess what me know? The giant them come back out for her this morning. Papa Jesus. Lord God. The giant them come back out for her. All me can see I want blue something. Because you see when you're there online, you see the blue something. But when you're there live, you see the red. So basically she a listen what the giant them have to say. But it coming like she don't care. Because she know what she doing. Yes man. How you mean? Then you can want stripe out a road, they know whether in any field, entertainment field, sport field, and you want to take down me as a fryers, whether at the back of the class, you have to take down the head of the class. And this how you get your stripe. So the woman go for all of the giant them last night to this morning. But the giant them come out and never see when people are prepare crab yet for boil crab. And when them put the water for hot and the water bubble up, because remember, you know, most people don't cook crab, you know. Pan gas stove and coal stove, you know. A stick fire, not wood fire, stick fire. Yes, man, no wood around here. And when that bubble up, I remember in the days when you have kerosene tin, and the water they are bubble up and then go some pepper it, then salt it, then pick up the, what you call this, pimento seed it and them scallion and time it, and then do all kind of sitting and it bubble up. And when them go so now the crab them done clean up and them take up the crab them by the claw, you see them drop them in the hot water, you psst, the crab chin piece. I saw the giant them run out for her, bro. So me I wonder she a chin piece like crab. Me no know because me no hear from her from the giant them come out. What me say? Me no hear from the woman at Trinidad from the giant them come out. But she come out big and bad, boy, me I tell you. Me I listen she will come out later. Me a listen she will come out later. So me Dave not go play nothing because you don't know me. You don't know my style, you know. But when me look and see the woman come out, me I say where she eat. She never did eat breadfruit in her days. As a Jamaican, she says she a Jamaican, she don't look like she did eat breadfruit. Because they say when you eat breadfruit, you're coward. She never used to eat breadfruit because she brave. Because if you run out past so much giant in a one video. And a 1, 2, 3 or 4 video, you know. In a one video, the woman run out pan the giant them. Hey, when the woman run out pan the giant them, it come like me a listen and it come like when me a watch a show them. Cause you know the show name The Killer? Yes. When from the start of the show I just be action. Pipe, boom, 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 be action. And so when me a watch a video, I listen to the woman live to Rastaja. The woman does a move from giant to giant. Curly, man in the dark, woman down so, tiger. Hey, the woman just a move from giant to look a coffee night still, you understand? But she did go against the giant them. me a leave to see what she will come out with because she online, you know. I'll listen where I go on because right now, me no know me did hear one little something go on one day when she come out. And them say them did I go report her workplace. And me hear say it look like the plan go as planned. But the workplace never really fire her. Me hear say the workplace suspend her. But no, them say them are going to send in videos and them are going to send in this and that to the workplace of her behavior and social media where she are going with in the uniform. Lord, Papa Jesus, you can't make social media make you lose your work. Social media money no sure. Me tell you every day that's why me have to go out there go work for my own social media side hustling. Me want the day when it come when me can lie down and cock up my foot and drink water and eat snow mint and just a collect so amount time and feel good and comfortable and have to think about outside how road me have to go hustle. No sir. But for right now me have to hustle for me own. Let me say, cause social media money no sure and it have to go through too much hand. And everybody take a piece side just like the politician them. When they give the contract about 50, somebody the one contract come through and everybody take a pinch side. When you get the contract where from start it value 10 million, when you get it on the value 100,000. So you see what people go through and then take a pinch at it. That's how social media money stay. You never know what you work or when you look and see that your work you can't get anything. So, oh, you're going to make social media make you lose your work, woman, you idiot. Back off. Go wave the white flag. Give an apology. And show the people them say you're sorry. Just don't give the apology and just come back with the same old story tomorrow and the other day. Come out here and beg the people them, please don't report you to your job. Because remember, you know, they report you, you get suspended as when me are here, because me never know nothing, you know. But when me hear all you run out big and mighty, pan that the video there, me did have to listen where you going. And then me listen and see what you deal with. And then now this morning, me say, alright, me I go prepare for when the giant them come out. So when me look, me see the giant them pan here. And the giant them are getting on your scalp. And them not only dep on your hair, them dep on your scalp. And the giant them plan for you. Yes, them are plan for you. Wave the white flag, don't take pride and shame. It's not nice in them your hard time you have to lose your job. Worse in the right after Christmas, we Jamaican call it tambourine season, which is most people hard time over the world. Wave a white flag. Nothing wrong with that. Call it say you make a terrible mistake. Where you never know say it you're gonna end up like this. Wave the white flag, take my foolish advice. And wave the white flag. Give the people them winnings. Give the people them winnings. Don't make you feel like say, oh, me no business. Cause your business. Cause nobody no want to lose them job. Wave the white flag, alright. Speak my mind people and she me come to really talk about you know about me that way. Who know look into where I go and for who no know. The woman when they something another kitchens. Yeah, sitting in another kitchens. One lady with all this like the blue something will come. I remember her first. Oh, I remember the lady will come in a dance hall queen. Yes. Yes, man. Audrey. Yes, Audrey. Yes, something like such a name. Yes, 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 man. Something like such a name. Like the lady will come in a dance hall queen. Yes, Audrey. Yes. I think that's such a name. Something another kitchens. Yes. Alright. Yeah. But to all, me see she come up, me did have to look. Trust me, me did have to look. The kind of look enticing. Because me I said no, so it surprised me. One woman come out against so much giant in a one video. No, sir. And me I say she not smart. Because if all of me know what me plan to come out against some giant, me not give the whole of them it in a one video. You must say mad. And me I look views and me want money. Me not do it. One in a each video me I take them on. Today I for you, tomorrow I for you, tomorrow I for you. Me not come go no one big video I take down. I try go after all of the giant them. No sir. This how you go wrong. This how you go wrong. Because them say you look clothing and you look views and you look money. But when me I say, you should do it one. You're too bad, man. You're too bad. You gonna fit so much giant in a one video. No, you're too bad. Anyway, you're curly, me come to talk about people. So speak mind people don't know what they do. Like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend and hit the thumbs up on the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. And it's also on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. Also on favorited Life is a Mission TV. Cause remember them say TikTok are ban. It depend all. We don't know what chumps are gonna do yet. But it come like things are going on in a TikTok favor, man. Because me see one me I don't have one part in the US they come out in defense of TikTok. And it's like them say some whole heap of people of America, even Trump himself, attack good things where TikTok is concerned and where TikTok do for how much people and where TikTok do for the people them in a Los Angeles fire. One of them fire there, I don't think I the one in California, one next one of the Guan, Araguan, something like so. And he might tell you and them attack, so he come like boy, come like chumps out to spin a good wheel on TikTok. But we still have to prepare. So I'm going to go over favorited TikTok over there, Life is a Mission TV. And TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. Just like the channel. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy, I beg a few more subscription to give her a little, stretch. Yes. So I'm going to continue to go and subscribe. After this week, you hear me talk about Life with Gabby and Chevy for a long while. Yes, we might be going to go watch some of our video and repost to our video, but you won't hear this after this week. Because she has reached the 1,000, but she just want a little extra. We set her a little distance from the 1,000. So if anybody withdraw them subscription, the 1,000 still stand up. She need the watch hours. So any little video she drop, me I be going to watch them. And if you're not interested in it, just put on the phone, because most of your video them short. So just put on the phone and make them run. You understand? Just to make sure you get the watch hour if the video not interest you. Because enough time I post video not interest you, I want to put on the phone because I want to not support. I mean, I have no problem with that. YouTube. Now, watch if you take your naked, you watch the video. You want to know say technology, I show say the video. Watch and the ads watch. Most importantly, watch the ads. I remember Charms and Trend. Cash App is there. $ Charms and Trend. When you gift me, I use a gift to give back to the needy and not the greedy. And my merch are now on the website of Charms and Trend. When they tell them say to come, but when make me there weigh my mind on something because trust me, when I ask me if you do things that when me say me I test the waters, me still not see. Every time I put my foot in it, current catch me, shock me. But me bear it and say sometimes then say you want good your nose off your run and you have to take chance in a life. Because everything you do in life is chance. Chances in life, it will bring changes in life. What I say? Chances in life, it will bring changes in life. Yes, man, you know what God in the vessel where you take a chance, alright? So as I say, the merge them out there on the website. You just go and check on Instagram, charmed_and_trends. Anything you see over there, you can get it customized. If you want it customized, you just drop in at the DM for further information how to go about. Alright? And anything you see there and you want it, you just go straight to the website and make the purchase. charmedandtrend.shop. Alright, the merge them over there, the hat them, the t-shirt them. May have some wine tumblers over there. Customize, speak my mind and Life is a Mission tumblers over there. So you can just go ahead and make on a purchase and make sure you have a merge for Speak My Mind. Show the support now. We want to claim to say you have one ask me if you do this and do that. Put on the money. Put your money where your mouth there. Me say if you put your money where your mouth there, it's very affordable. One artist for $25. Remember, free shipping. The t-shirts are for $35. Free shipping, and you can get the combo for $55. Remember, 25 and 35 is 60, and if you buy the combo, you get it for $55 and you get free shipping. And you have the combo also with the wine tumbler and the t-shirt for $60. Yes, and the good thing about it, we done to order. So if you want to Speak My Mind and you want the do, that's how you get it. And if you want a Life with a Mission, Life is a Mission, and you want the do, you get it. So easy, you get it. So you choose what you want to go on it. We give you the option to choose what you want to go on it. As you can see, we have the displays. I show you some on the site. Yes. Alright? Any one of the slang them you want on it, you get it. So just support the merge. Speak My Mind Entertainment merge. Life is a Mission TV. Alright? And as I say, combo there, the free shipping. I want to just go on the website. I want to see what I go on. Just scroll right down. I want to see everything where I go on. support the merge. Alright. Anyway, people. That is that. So we are getting a Marcia video now. Marcia. Well, you don't know she now come just like how I said to them now come out here and listen call such woman name. Well, basically you don't know she have a battle going on with the woman down so and 360. So whenever time she do a video, if another two of them name a call, one somebody name a call. Most time it's the same old story she come with. She has somebody will love come out here come say we are repeat the same thing over and over and for this YouTuber pay for. Someone want to know if I know the same thing she do. But there's a woman here played that lady the other day. Why did me hear a woman on a platform attack? I don't know if a 360, but a woman on a platform attack and she talk about what is going on out here in social media. And she talk about people who sell food. And the behavior out here is not nice. It's rotten. Cause them a talk about this, them a talk about that, them a talk about, and she can remember as far as one it say she could have spit in a cake or some sickness, but she attack, you know that is somebody with the over here in this diaspora and listen what go on. Whether she a flanker, planker, danker, she neutral or she in a gear, or she a over the fence, or she a over the enemy. Me no know. But she talk some real facts. You understand? But she got talk about Marcia and her sheep business, and Marcia never take it lightly. But Marcia says she not give her no knowings. Because it's 2025. And she not give nobody no knowings to come make the money off her. Who make her ready make them stay make. But no more body she not give no knowings. So we are going to just allow Marcia to adjust the situation, the way she address it, and go after the woman in the country as she normally do. I don't know who tell her say this look your fit all your glasses mash up and you can't fix it. The way you have money you can't fix your glasses immediately. You should not wait till weekend. I see him say you tell you about the phone. I nearly 6 months now you tell you about the phone weekend.
Yes, weekend. Ever blesses in the house. Me not done long.
No the phone can't fix.
I see the stagnant bitches them a chat me dear. Me just come to tell you now.
Oh yes. I think when me a scroll at the same woman, she did play the woman where me a talk about. So I must say that's why she come to the video.
Chat to my back, but you can't chat to my front. Yes, me dear.
Man say you don't know your back from your front.
It don't make no sense. You stay over your page and try to talk about me, because you have to talk about me. Yesterday you don't get no contents. 188 people go on your page. This morning you take my video for YouTube.
You start text stats now, man.
600 people. And where you are chatting, I make no sense, bitch.
Man, start text stats now, people. What the rasta this?
Show me on a paycheck this morning. If you didn't get paid this morning and check clear on the bank account, don't talk to me.
So why you still over here?
Clear. I don't give one rascal at what you say.
If you're so comfortable, Marcia, why are you still over here?
Me not catch you free. Me I get blood clot pay. More than your pussy clot paycheck where you get every month.
Justify the little way you get with the other one, you might surprise what money people them I get.
So I know say, all I know we are chat me in a comment. Who knows a broke ass motherfucker.
Marcia, I tell you already, you know, you can't judge the little 2 pence AP where you might get against other people. Because most of your videos is restricted in a sense where you might get less ads if none at all. It is fit for airplay, you know. But the people them who own them commercial now affiliate them videos and them commercial with your platform with certain videos when you do it. While other people where you sit down and judge how much them make off of where you a get, could I make far more on you? Because them not behave like how you behave. The behavior where you carry out your inner phone, them not do that. So you find say them a get ads on them channel. Although you say them have to sit down and wait for ads money. You cost everything will benefit you the same way. Because you come out here and cost YouTube. And as we say YouTube, you sure is pay a bill. No matter how much you get. You say you're a big deal. You should have get more than what you get. But because of your dirty, filthy behavior we have out here, the people them with the commercial not associating them videos with your platform. So you not make much. You feel like everybody not make much. Who you talk? You just lose a job value 1.5 million Jamaican dollar weekly. So you want to tell me say that job you bigger than a job there? Or is the same money you get? And you have one broke piece of glass on your face? And I talk about weekend glass a come? So you have to buy your glass off of Amazon so you don't go to an ophthalmologist or an optician to check your eyes and make sure, okay, them get the right fittings. Eh? Who you to? You should be able to walk going to an optician or an ophthalmologist office anywhere in the United States. You should not buy glass off of Amazon.
Don't have no job, jealous of me, and my life is very fruitful, nice and happy and stress-free. So you don't have to chat me. Sinise a come on now. Chewed. I need to put down. I need to turn up the limit. 78. I'm turning it up to 82. So I know nobody don't have no content out here but me. So you don't have to chat me. And anywhere me a blood clot catch, I'm getting paid. Me I get paid. I'm getting paid. Anywhere me a catch, I'm getting paid. So good catching, honey. Good catching. Yes, the piece of glass break off. But my new one is in the doctor office. I'm going to pick it up Friday.
Yeah, Amazon you said that.
I catch the virus. So I go around. When me get short, sore up.
You sure?
So
you sure?
If you hear me a sneeze, I let go cold and me catch.
You sure?
That's why me never put up on waste
of energy. You sure a virus make your throat stay so? You sure?
Me now waste my energy pound from 2025. You're not just gonna see me. So you can't sit down the chat about 2020, 2021, 22, 23 and 24. I am in 2025. Me moving towards the future. I ain't where you want to see over here, PH. You have to see me and wish me well. Because I look like a rich bitch and you look like a riff-raff. Take a look at me. Take a look.
That makes sense, Marcia. You know, say to the people, I go uptown. I go pick up one package with a little costume thing, cause I get in some little costume. You know, where I don't really have no ready plans for them. But some scroll and I see them. You know, I try to get them in. Cause you know my style, I can pop up in a costume at any time just to perform an act when the time arise. Because I can there so and something just arise in a social media. And I can just go in my box and say, right, but I have a costume can fit that purpose here. And I just show it on. So I see some costume, I buy them. So I go uptown, I go collect the parcel at a shipping company. And I go through the plaza. I see a woman. Because I search the place because the plaza big enough. And first I pick up a package just because we change the format, the recent shipping company. So I see a big enough woman come on her phone and she talk on her phone. But me know what through me I look. Anyway, when the woman walk and reach down to me, the woman I look up in my face. So I wonder if I choose she up on her phone, she study me. They say if me one of them boy we grab phone. Because I want big woman as I said. Anyway, I walk around in one corner and I find the place. I end up I go come out now and say cho. Because I'm easy to get frustrated them way. Because I don't like the phone I put up. Anyway, them say the place in a one phone store. So I see one blue store. I sell blue phone. So I go into the store. Anyway, I'm in the store and thing. Just a little commercial break, you know. I'm in the store and thing. The same woman, I see push the door. So the gentleman immediately didn't know. So I didn't expect nobody for a call. I said, she a call. So I said, me? She said, yes, you. So I go to her. She said, how will me know you from? How will me know you? So I come out to her and thing and she said, are you a speak my mind? And I say, yeah. She said, you know, so me see, I wonder if you did see what me there look for you. I say, yeah, but I start explaining to her. So I say, I wonder for your phone, I think me I go grab what you there look for me. So she start tell me. Alright, say that to say this. Well, this wasn't the t-shirt I wear. I wear one green marina. Go up there. And me go show you how me go up there. First let me show you when me go uptown, you know. Me go show you. Me try to be myself. And anytime you try to be nobody else, or try to be somebody where people want you to be, you know so your life's sad. And you're going to end up down the wrong road. Not try to do nothing to please nobody or be nobody. Be yourself. Anytime you try to start be people, you're going to get yourself in a problem, one way or the other. See it here? I'm going to knock off dirty slippers. See there? Me not wipe it off now, nothing. See there? Same way me go uptown tonight. Yes, me drive me car on a bus. Me take car, probably me not take bus. Would have to. You understand? See there? Same all dirty knock off slippers. See there? And the shorts when me wear wash out. Let me show you. See there? See shorts? One wash out shorts. What me do? Me be myself. How much boy or girl would I go uptown whether them a drive? Alright, put it so them a drive cause if me a take bus and honestly me be go like this, would have to fresh up and think I may go against people, but me in my personal ride. So, me say this to say this. When you go say this, master, I don't afford me couldn't afford to put on clean clothes and dress up. Put on all my jewelry. Me have my big old fat bracelet with my name plate, you know. And the last time when you see me there, when you check the last video when you see me night when me say me there go casino. Months now. Birthday come not even that me not put on. Me have chain, me have big rings. Sometimes them put on in a jar, they pan where is the fingers? The chain the pan where is the neck? The bracelet the pan where is the wrist? It can't see me. I not have me not have it, master. So when you're gonna make that statement, they say, look at me. And like say true, you're clean and you're this, you have something. You don't have nothing no stuff, alright. Most time I only have to put out the best to make it look like you don't have something, but you don't have not one thing. Not even when you got toilet, if you feel like on the belly, I give you on want to use the toilet, I want to go over the toilet, I want to sit down over the toilet. For minute pan top a minute, all you can hear psh, like one tire puncher, be a ear come out of you. Not even dry now. So you looking anyway, that no means so you have something in a life. Cause we all know you don't have anything in a life. You just try put out your best with the little cheap clothes and when you buy here, there and everywhere. Cause you know everywhere is why the cheap store them there. You understand? And you put them on, you come out here, come go on like you want to mag upon people. And everybody here look shabby. I mean, me tell you this, if most of the youths them will grow hungry, grow come say nothing at all, and end up somewhere or the other because of some farmer hustle and effort with them put out there, them gain something, and them never make money change them. Enough of them a pass and gone, they would be alive today. They would be alive today. But for some reason, they make the money change them. Them start show off on people. Them start diss people. Them go anywhere, them feel like them is the man. Them have this power because them have a few dollars and people know them have a few dollars. Them diss people, people come for them and can them up. Them drop. Them create enemies. And all kind of things. While if them they just humble. Let people think what them want, think you know what you can do. You know you can take up your money or 1,000 or 100,000 tomorrow man and go buy what you want, 200,000, $1 million, $2 million. Enough of the man that clean like you, man, you can't do that. Because what? That is what they live for, to be clean. They don't live to live a life of substance. They want to live to be clean. For people to say them clean. You understand what I say to you? Yes, I could have titivate up and dress up like me I go start one movie and go make the what you call them people that do your face? Makeup artist put on makeup on me and I run going uptown because I go and collect 2 little package within half an hour if I come back to my yard. So you come out here and chat like say you looking how you look like you have something. You don't have one shit.
Take a look at me. Look how me look nice. You can't look like me. So when you look at yourself,
I
you look like a stagnant bitch.
I am not.
I look cranny and dirty
No,
compared to me.
I am not.
You see no black under my eye? You see no wrinkle, boy? I might have
So
a
I just
little
enjoy
ear them under
myself
my chin.
when them come up get
Socially
the one
big.
that.
How you look? How you look? Look at my skin. How nice and pretty. No
Oh
filter
no
over
know
here.
which part me there already.
Look at my teeth, them.
When me
Them
come
say
out
me
I come
having
set up somebody
dentures.
somewhere with them
And me
must go
having
back.
partial. The only partial
For such
uno
woman
have
when
is the
them
partial
pass
way
them
and down the
place.
front. Take
Yeah,
that to the
some
back.
people just enjoy
Uno could have
myself
chat
and a
me.
black and a
Me
black.
now waste more time for uno. And me I go send a message to King Chapel for pray for you. Via Carlem Church, other church. Let me tell you something about King's Chapel Church. King's Chapel Church is a blessing church, a motivation and inspiration, God-fearing, and push you to your greatest potential. And it is a blessing church. If you want miracle to run in your life, and you want deliverance in your life, and you want things to come true, have faith, sow your seed, and find yourself into a good church. And I recommend King's Chapel Ministry, 400 Woodland Street in Hartford, Connecticut. Is a very good church to go and worship. And take it from Marcia Everbless. God fearing, no other church. Them just deal with prayer and giving.
So with all that I've said, what are you trying to say? You want them pray for such woman? So you want to say good for such woman? And that you say, because if them do all the way you are say. Because at first when you say that, me feel like a bad prayer King's Chapel up pray for people, because them say God not answer bad prayer. So when you just start talk, I did swear say you say, like how she a call up King Chapel name, say them involved in a certain things. You go make them, you go inform them of her and make them pray for her. So me I say, boy, with them accuse, which she accuse them of doing such thing. When you go tell them and inform them of her, a bad prayer, them a go pray. But then say God no answer bad prayer. But then you say all these good things that King Chapel have done. So is it that you're saying that you want good for such woman? Me not think so, because it sound like how the white flag you are showing. I mean, no white flag you are showing. Me no no peace treaty you call you so. Me I go stick with them, I believe. I feel like you are trying to say you're going to make King's Chapel pray for her, for things happen to her. But me never know if God answer bad prayer. Because all the way you say, I can't them good things there. You want King Chapel go pray for make happen for her. Because if she the leader you, based on probably what people might have seen on social media, and all of them something there, when King Chapel pray for her, happen for her, oh you go manage Marcia? You go want catch up to mix with pepper. You can't just want catch up alone. Cause she the far ahead of you, so you want something to burn where you can run fast when it a burn you. You know, like when you eat some pepper and you run to the shop to get a juice or a water. Yes, you can't walk, you have to run. Cause if them the good prayer they come true, if a good prayer King Chapel pray, and you gonna make them pray for her, she gonna go far ahead of your master.
You the
And
word
if you
of God.
way around there so she
You
can't see you in the
dirty
distance and you
landlord.
can't see her.
You're going to see what happened to you for 2025. One piece of salt is going to take you when you speak against God people. You see me? You're going to get something coming to you for 2025.
Oh,
Stay there and
through
keep
King
on
Chapel?
slandering, bullying, harassment, and things say. One day the bucket of God will must drop out. Bird no fly by one wings. Remember, you're not about in your life, but Facebook people, and them they far. Your children them abandon you, your mama abandon you, your family abandon you. Remember,
If I
I
knew that,
remember
but I
the
said
people
that
we
make
are
two
talking
of
about social
us.
media. Them not have nobody.
I know she did say that
Them
about
can't help
me.
you.
Me said that make two of us
Cause them
because
broke and
she not just the
paparazzi
same
you,
thing.
just like you. Remember, you need my contents to pay your bills. I 188 people get yesterday. You were struggling to get contents yesterday. Use that chat foolishness. Until this morning, you go take my video from last night. 500 to 600 people you get, 600 people.
And I do that.
Yesterday could have barely
I
make it.
do that,
Watch
Marcia.
me and you for the
Big
rest.
name.
Me don't need YouTube money. You need it because I work. So me don't need it. You appear house bill, light bill, this and this.
And you
I
are
ain't
live
got no
free.
time for you.
But what me I say? Since Marcia said she start work, I know we not prove I say Marcia work, you know. But since she said she start work, Marcia gone 6 months of working yet. Marcia not gone 6 months of working yet. Remember, I must about what? September, October, Marcia start work, and 1 month winner, January. So, say September she start work. September, October, November, December, January, September, October, November, December, January. I just 5 months. She never got half a year yet. So who did I support her during them time then? Now YouTube look up chip on halfpenny what she a talk about. So you come now and criticize YouTube look at chip on halfpenny, eh? Move here, man.
I got no time for you. And let me tell you something, you and your people them. Anyway, Marcia catch a good catching. I'm getting motherfucking pay. I want my purse there. I'm gonna do my purse. Eh? Me know say from New Year's. Me know say from New Year's. Me still have money in my purse anyway.
What?
Me just spent $100 yesterday.
What?
When me got the store.
Hey boy, want me to jump up on me for? Me a clap a call you? Boy, nasty beer come a jump up on me. At the first shot, only all these years me a cuss her. So she live in America, I never see her with not even a one time I see her with a 20 US. Pay $1 US and $5. All $2 US when me hear say people they use America. She have in her purse I use, I spend, I buy things at McDonald's. But Marcia have $100. Lot of things really are going for you, Marcia. Marcia bust $200 upon the video a while ago. But Marcia, that's not nothing for come and talk about Marcia. Marcia, me never travel yet, Marcia. Me have US dollar, me have Canadian dollar, and me have Jamaican dollar. And if me go dig up one jar around them, me have all pound in a coin. And me have other money in a coin. Marcia, come on, man. Do better than that, man. They may sit here and nothing for you come boast about Marcia. When you do them something, you look cheap. You not rise above what you're supposed to rise above to prove to the people them say you have it like that in a Marcia. All the way you do, I try prove to the people them say you have it and you have something and you're in a job and this and that. No, Marcia, that not make it. Them you sitting where you do, come and sit in the yard do. Come and sit in the yard do. To prove say you have money and prove say you're in a good position and your life alright and this and that. Come on, anybody can raise $200 and you gotta dig up $150 or $100 Jamaican dollar and a towel. See them have all Jamaican money. You just left Jamaica while there. You sure you say you don't have nothing. Because you just left Jamaica while there and so much hungry belly people there on the streets. Day in, day out. So much people would have liked that little Jamaican money where you have to cook a little party, if not tin and mackerel and a little flour. And you carry back that gun back a foreign. That means you don't have nothing, Marcia. You should have clear out that girl to them with windscreen wiper up on the road. Where you go back a foreign, I like say some $1,000, $5,000, $50, $100. And I like say you save them for go show a room and say, boy, this is Jamaican money as you're a Yankee. And this is your grandma money that she spent in Jamaica. Eh? I don't like you carry them back for go show a room and you plan to keep them for souvenir for show a room and say this is grandma country. Oh, sorry, I forgot to say I know your country. Me sorry. I forgot to say I know your country. I forgot to give you your citizen, your birthright, everything, and you rub it out of your passport. Place of birth, America. Sorry, me never remember.
Me still have money left over from New Year's. The New Year's roll over with me having money. And enough of them out they want $200 right now. I mean, no say. Me have all kind of money in my purse. Not only American money, but me have also have Jamaican money.
And when she show people,
so, the
it's
New Year,
not a
so
5,000 or even a 1,000 or
$2,000.
2,000.
Must
$200
$200
and
right now, I
$150.
don't have it.
That should have given you and
You
to the
understand? So let
airport
me
going
tell you
up back to
something.
foreign to the windscreen
None of you
wiper.
can interfere with me. And none of you
You
can take
stop
me up
and
and
the
no
two
walk.
homeless people.
You could have called the
You care about that a foreign.
You could have called the state. You could have called the police. You could have called anyone. None of you out there can take me for my work. Me not ask you.
Hey.
Especially you, Erica. You could have called till die kingdom come.
can't take it off again because last time you accuse the people them of doing it. So when you say again,
you could have called for this, you
so
could
when
have
it
called for
happen,
that,
what you
and me
gonna
have my evidence. And me have doctor paper. Him have doctor paper, him have him skin, me have evidence. Camera is in here. You could have called till tomorrow morning.
Hey,
Bitch, go get a life.
me no say I know which part she did. I do the video them in the dark, she did, you know. You hear her? Camera in here. You could have called this. Yes, camera in here. That means at your workplace, that's why you're in a light. And against nice, middle of a curtain, shower curtain or what kind of curtain. Yeah, and clean too, you know. I say, I can't master no place so she talk about. So what's your favorite turn on light for night time? The place don't look bad. Yeah, me I look on little settings when I say look good. But at the workplace you there, how will the caca clock this? So when they're there workplace you can't turn on light, master. So people now go identify which part you're there, just like when you die your yard. Your workplace stand better on your yard so you have a right to do the video them in a light at your workplace and can't do it in a light at your yard. Because if you turn left, you don't have no suitable background. And if you turn right, no suitable background. And if you're dead fast, steadfast in front of you, no suitable. And I like me, we can go in my back of my yard, go up. You know so much different background I go all the while. Sometimes I too me lazy because I want to start do some of the video them up on the roof. But sometimes to me so holy, I know I'm afraid of height, you know, telling you the honest truth, I'm afraid of height. The mango tree where you see Aki tree where you used to there over this under one day. I climb, I used to get man climb because I now pass right here, so the lower limb. Now I pass it. Because I say once me go up, I start look down. And it was easy for me go up, but I say when me come down, hey! Lord, me child, me balls them squeeze me. Like a tight, them tight, like when a woman a virgin. Yes, man, then if you come down and me I look down, me. So true that me used to get people for climb it, some little younger youth. When the mango them pick me share it, when the aki them pick me share it. So there is so many other background me have. All out the road me can go up on the gully side. Man say I don't have that. So in a fair little place where dark, she can't change no background. Because nowhere in there no look good, that's why she have to do the video them in the dark. But you see how she come at the people them place, how she flip camera and a show up because she not used to nothing, because she don't have nothing. So the little way she experience now, she feels so good. Like she dey against the ice of class people. That's why she love talk about certain people so.
When you can't look like me, I have the people who have in your life like me, you can't talk to me, you're an idiot. And the last month, me I waste my time on you.
If you said that last year, said January, you never gonna do this.
Shall be your portion.
December, you said January, you never gonna do this. Every time you talk, you go back on your word.
Make sure that happen. I'm going to call King's Chapel today. I'm going to tell King's Chapel, say I call them church, Obia Church. Because me come out here and I boast about them prayer. When them pray for me. So me get back on my feet and break the curse of no tongue.
What she want
King Chapel to do to the woman? Them on 21 day fasting. Them start last week Thursday after New Year's. Me get the Bible verse and my things them every day. I am going to teach you a lesson, bitch. You're going to see me. Marcia Campbell, wish me well. For 2025. Go on with your foolishness, but I'm going to tell you, you're not in. You're not go too far in a 2025 with me. Me not ask you.
So what she saying? She going to use that information to make King Chapel pray for her some more, where she can go further than which part she did? Or she going to make the report, give the information for King Chapel, send bad prayer for the woman, who don't know the such woman. Not the one at town, you know, the one at country. I don't remember my back no broad like the Trinidad and me can't come out and call people there. Much as you take on 3 giant, 4 giant, 5 giant, 6 giant, 7 giant in a one video. As me say, she make mistake there so because me I take them on one if so be the case. Me have to make money off of each one of them because since some money me come to make, me now do one video for make them. Me I do like the CD man them now put all of the hit tune on one CD, you know. Because if them put all of the hit tune on one CD, then can't make no money because you just go buy one CD and that's it. When you want 2 hit song, you get it on one CD and the next 3. Them tell you say, yeah man, it down at the bottom you play from now till a morning you can't hear the next 3 hit song. because you have to go buy a different CD if you hear that. You think them are idiot. Them now compile everything by one CD. So I did mistake that she make sure she should have come out for the giant them one. But she put all of them. You understand? And she say her money she then say her money she make her she want, you know, she clout it. Shut up. Come down. Shut up. Come down now. I'm shutting up late. Come down now. Yes. You understand? Mm-hmm.
You now go too far.
Well, tell me
so
what
anybody,
any
any
nobody
dopey
pray
say
I go
come,
before.
anybody appear you now go too far. Me, I go teach you a lesson. Say, me, blessed and highly favored. And anything me ask God for, God will fix you. God will fix you. I'm going to show you something if you think about it. Big up on yourself, members only. Me will sooner later on. Yes. Let me go do let me go along and walk. Go do my work. Yes, my dear. When me a catch and I get paid to catch here. Good catching. I'm so blessed. Catching. You see when me that work? You see? You see how me dress for that work? Look here. Me not dress in a uniform. Me dress nice and pretty, honey. Yes, my dear. You don't see how me dress? You see me look nice?
Because you dressing like this might not required you to wear uniform. You're not running your own show.
Honey, to myself.
You might have do some private work and them allow you
You can't touch me no time at all.
to dress this way.
No time at all.
There's no requirement for you to wear uniform.
And wish me well. Remember people that come to my gala.
Probably the people them you promote gala, you say not promote nothing. Probably the people them no want give you no compensation for no uniform allowance. So they must allow you to wear your clothes.
But you know say at 2020, 8th of March, tickets are selling for $50 and tickets are on sale now. Call 860-292-0795. No call it. Text it.
Every live video promote the party, but you say
you understand? Send me a message if you want ticket. But take cash up and take sale. Tickets are $50 in February. It's going in end of February. It's going to go to $10 more, and it's going to take in place at the same place I have my gala.
Everything is such a man do.
My gala is paid for already. Paid for already.
Everything we such a man do, Mr.
Ricky
It
Genus
no
get
art.
part-time
No
money
one do
already.
no better job though.
So Ricky Genus, have you seen us from Bronx, New York? Come out here and stress myself. All you have to do is to come and support. Because my party is paid for, honey. You understand? So me no business one I say, no weapon formed against me shall prosper. You, dirty good girl, Erica Landlord. You can't live without me. I am your God. Isn't that so nice? I'm your God. You can't sleep, you can't damn, you can't shit without me.
Yo!
Oh, I'm so important.
Yo!
I'm so important, honey. Yes, my dear, because I'm your God. I'm your God. I'm your God. But remember, so me can't carry the pearl gate. Me only can't get like money in your hand. But I cannot carry the pearl gate. So, yeah, worship the wrong God.
Hey.
You are worshiping the wrong God because I cannot take you to the pearly gate. I can't give you life. I can't cure you. I can't do nothing more than get the money for you.
Much we are earning. I feel like she like a lot on social media.
And that can go away in the blink of an eye.
So
bitch, I recommend you go see the show and live in God. Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Where we are used.
You understand?
And she now make no fight and she
go and seek him, the true and living God, because I am not your God.
More
I am a
than
small God.
Here.
I'm a small
she
God.
She a big deal more than we.
But you worship the wrong one.
So you now make no for your content.
With the wrong one. You have to obsess with the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end. And that the one day. Not me. So you worship the wrong one. Me only can give you temporary money. Him give you permanent money. Him come to give life and come to give it more abundantly. I can't give you life. I only can give you content and get the money. So you're fighting a losing battle. You need to worship the real God. Stop worshiping me. Stop worshiping me.
So I just say you classify yourself now.
See you later. Bye.
I just say you're not going away, man. Come. You have more to say. Come on, if I just say you classify yourself now. G-O-D.
Uh-huh.
You just want to feel
yes,
important,
same back to you. Same thing to you. Become yourself to members only. Yes, my dear. I'm getting paid, honey. I'm getting paid. Go look for the girl them out there we are working in the nursing field. And I look how they look. Look like a riffraff. Look at me. Look at me. Ain't me ever look good already and pretty every day and just look nice. Go look on them. They look like a whole tired bus. And look at
I be
me.
a nursing
Look
field
at
you
me.
talk about. So the
Fabulous,
woman them, the people them in
fabulous,
America,
fabulous.
especially Jamaican
Me
them
not
where you
think nobody
feel
waste me
like
time for
are
bus by
the
because
Plancatarians
till
or
it got my
the
shoot.
people them who are go against you, whether them
Me just
support
feel pity
360
for you.
Ishi or the
I
old
feel
lady. Why you feel like it's just
I
the
feel
nursing
sorry for
field,
you.
these people, you know,
Because
the
you're so
medical
poor and
field.
ugly.
You have
I just feel
accountants
sorry for
job
you.
out there.
You know,
You
I mean,
have
I'm poor, but I'm blessed.
different
But you have
different
some poor people
managerial
who
jobs
just...
out there. So what you mean? You
I
have
feel sorry for
teacher.
you. I can't even curse you. I feel sorry for you. Because you are,
You know what teacher migrate from Jamaica and they're foreign for the past
I don't
4
even know how to
years?
I don't even know how to describe the woman. I mean, I pity you. It's just that I wish that you could get some of my happiness. I feel sorry for you because you go through so much in life. Can you imagine somebody a 6 year from you, I sell them crutch from them a 9? I feel sorry for you compared to somebody who go church all them life and worship God. So that's why I see the reason why you're so jealous of me. Church girl, prostitute. Church girl, prostitute. Man left all kind of crosses and tribulation up in our hole. Me, and I mean, I can see why. You're so jealous. I mean, look at me. Look at my fabulous face. I mean, come on. I could see why.
Anyway,
Poor thing.
Spirit Mind
Poor
family,
thing. Bye-bye, people. Bye-bye.
a drama this. You don't know what they do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up and rate the video. And please to watch ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Also on favorited and TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy still asking you for a few more subscription to give her some space between that 1,000. So the link still in the comment section and it will be there for the rest of the week. Come next week, you won't see it. I will just come out here and ask you to watch some of the video. Then when she post them, I might repost them also over here on my channels. You know, just for Uno to watch and give her the watch hours. If you're not interested in the video, just as I do me at times, I'm not interested in who me I bring, but you know, put it down just to support me. Boom, hit the like button. Boom, make it stay there and play for ads pop up, ads watch by itself. You know, you watch it. YouTube can't know technology. Them know so technology run and the ads run. Yes. You can just do the same thing so them can gain the watch hour. Come here, I tell you, the 4,000 watch hour, you know. And when you have post content, you know, man, the people watching it come like it can't, how it look like it near, it just can't reach. Trust me. 4,000 watch hour hard, but them have to work on content for you can watch. So you just do that. And the cash app is there, $ Charms and Trends. When you give me, I use the gift to give back to the needy. And remember, go on Instagram and follow the business page of Charms and Trends. Charmed _and_trends on Instagram. Anything you see on that page, you can get it customized to your liking. Whether your name on it, your husband name, your wife name, your pitney name, your married anniversary picture, or whatsoever, you can get it customized. Just go into the DM for further information. Quality customer care service. You don't have to worry, right? And remember now, my merch are on their site also. They are the one that is distributing some merch for me, which is the t-shirt and the caps, and you have some wine tumblers. Just go up on the website, scroll right down, Charm and Trend.shop. That's the website, charmsandtrends.shop. And you scroll down, and when you scroll down, you will see my merch added to the website. You know, as me say, a cap is for $25. You get it customized to your liking with the life, whether you want Life is a Mission TV with one of the slang. Well, the caps, as I said, you will only get the initial overseas, but if you are locally, you can get it with the full name plus the initial or just the full name, any way you want it. And you get the cap for $25, the t-shirt for $35, that's US dollars. And if you want the combo, you get it for $5 less, which is $55. Because you know 25 and 35 are 60, and it's free shipping. And you can get the combo also with a wine tumbler with a t-shirt, your liking also. So you choose what you want to go up on it from the Speak My Mind, you know, slang and name, whether the Life is a Mission or Speak My Mind. Local people, one of the t-shirts is for $4,000 and one of the caps are for $2,000. Same thing go for you. You can request how you want it. alright, or you want some of the one that already there. So just go out and support the merger. I wanna ask me to do them something here, you know. So me just run a little risk and see what the support is like. Me now come out and come ball feet and beg feet more than if it now work. That is it. I wanna just see them come off of the website or whatsoever. But me now come out and come beg on like some people. Wanna ask me if I do it because I want to support the thing. Although me don't see say I wanna ask for cash up and me make God bless the little people who support. Yes. But this is something no one can get back something from. So wanna support meet the merge by getting an Atara t-shirt, you can see it in our hand. So only spend $25 with people mine are $35. Right? Alright. I remember now. The local price is a little bit different because it is easier to transfer goods from one parish to the other, from Knutsford, very more affordable and stuff. So the foreign people don't have to understand say me I use an overseas manufacturer and distributor. So you know it might look like $5 different when you calculate the local price. So you understand. Alright? Bless upon yourself and thanks for watching. I'm out.